Here's a top tip. Plant some colourful flowers to attract some wonderful critters to your garden. Flowers provide pollen and nectar that feed and attract insects. The different colours and scents of flowers and the shapes and sizes of flower petals can be attractive to different types of insects. For bees, you can grow some salvia or alyssum. Or if you plant daisies, you might even attract a beautiful butterfly. There are so many benefits to planting beautiful flowers, so try to plant ones that both you and the insects will like. You can grow the flowers in your backyard or even in a planter box on your balcony. Just make sure they're in a sunny spot. Your flowers are going to love all that sun, and the insects will feel right at home.
Did you know that for every human on this planet, there's about 200 million insects or bugs? Now, that's a lot of creepy crawlies that are out there living amongst us. Unbelievable, right? Well, let's take a closer look at all these weird and wonderful creepy crawlies out there, shall we?
A closer look.